Today's question is, how are puppets made?
Hi, you two. Welcome to the shop. There are lots of different puppets from all over the world. Yeah? There's finger puppets, hand puppets, sock puppets, marionettes, and there's rod puppets. And these guys work with rods.
Rods to move their arms. Wow. Well, what kind of puppet are we going to build today, Robin?
Well, I thought we would do a hand puppet. So let's have a look at the different shapes we have. And what do you think would make a good head?
Oh, hey, how about this round one here?
It's here?
Yeah.
All right, I think that's a good choice. And now we're gonna need a body. The felt? And we can fold the piece over, we can sew it up like that, and then I can control the puppet from inside. All right, what do you think would make good arms?
What about these round ones here, these tubes?
Nice tubes?
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's good. And now's the fun bit. We get to put a face on it. We get to add details. Like ears. We've got a nose. You need a bear. A bear? Need a bear. You think he needs to look like a bear? Not a bear, a bear. Oh, hair. Hair. Okay. All right, we got some hair. And we'll put the hair on the puppet. And now let's put it together in
Super fast motion!
ta-da!
Whoa, that's awesome! Who's it supposed to be? Okay.
Ask a question. Find an answer. Now you know.
Now you know!